here. Ooh, let me straighten this up a little bit. I have no makeup on or anything. I know it's early in the morning, and I woke up and I went into my living room, and my husband picked up the mail yesterday, and I had gotten a nice PR box from Flexbeauty, and I don't know what's in it yet because this time around I had so much going on. I didn't pick up, I didn't get a chance to go on live at the same time she was, because sometimes we can pick out something. So I just kind of wanted some of her new shades and stuff. So I can show you guys the upcoming stuff, and I'm really, really excited. Okay. Ooh. Super happy about this because I really need it. Okay. This is the Magnetic C palette. So you can put your singles in it. And it comes with some magnetic backs for the shadows that don't have backings. It's super nice. Look at that. The Phoenix is rising. Okay, so, oh my gosh. I gotta find a place to put this so I can get everything out here. This woman is always doing the most for us girls. I've been her, I think I was her, not sure, but I think it was one of her very first. I know I made the first video when she was giving samples and I got one. I did it on TikTok, and ever since then we've just been talking. I found her on Instagram, and so she is a very dedicated CEO and brand owner from Flexbeauty. She cares about us. It's not like, oh, push me out the money and make me rich. That's not what it's about. This is kind of more, ooh, chick. Ooh, what a case. Okay, this is the case. These are eyelashes. Oh, I can't see. It just says eyelashes make everything better. Look at that case. And I did pick these because these have like the twiggy kind of cut to it. So I can, they're going to be too big, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them to my size and put the bottom ones on I'll put them here. And I can get it open. I want to show you guys. Okay. So those are it. Oh, they're so nice. Okay, so let's put that over here because I'm definitely going to do something in the next couple of days. Okay, these are like collab products, so I'm not going to actually show these because when we do collabs, we don't show our looks or anything before it's released, so I'll just put that over here. Okay, then we have some brushes. I knew that she was coming out with brushes, and I'd really like to try them. I'm a really picky person about my brushes. Now, I really hope that they're dense. Okay, there's it already. Okay, yeah, they're dense. They're not flimsy. They're long, but they're not flimsy. Thank God. Yeah, this one's not either. This is nice, and you see how it's like this, and it doesn't just go. Yeah. Oh, and this one's very good to actually set the color where I want to set it. Really nice. Not scratchy. Okay. I'm definitely going to try these out. So this week I've already gotten some brushes, and I think I might have to declutter some. Oh, look at this. A lollipop, and I'm going to eat it like in just a minute. Okay. Okay, here's another collab piece that I'm not going to show. Okay. This looks like a Stardust. And there is a lot of hype about Stardust. People always ask me, like, what's the topper you're using? And it's most of the time a Stardust. Okay, so. Oh, with some more magnetic stickers or stickers for your shades. And this is the deep black. Cool. I use a lot of the black. Oh my gosh. me get this stuff right here. Oh, I've been looking forward to this. This is gorgeous. Y'all know, what's his name? Angry Reacts. Gorgeous! On TikTok. Okay, so this is a red Stardust and a pink Stardust. I'm not a fan of pinks, but as a topper, sometimes on top of purple, they do work really good. So there's the pink Stardust, and there's the red. I am so stoked for this one. Okay, so now here are the new shades. And I like how they're packaged this time. They're like, she does kind of try to improve her packaging and stuff all the time. So this is, these come in different packagings than, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See, the packaging is this time totally different. Oh, and they have names on it and numbers. Oh, look at those. Oh, did you send me a lot or what? Okay. I got this many. Oh my gosh. Hang on. I'm going to show, I just showed you like 4 colors, like the blues and greens. Okay, now check out these. Okay. Ooh, gosh, check out that one. Check out that. Check out those. I'm going to have so much fun. Oh, gosh. Her browns are real browns, too. I have to tell you, y'all know when, if you watch my videos, that I hate it when browns come on brown and then they have a pink undertone throughout the day. Your eyeshadow looks pink and not brown. I hate that. So I'm really picky about the browns. Now, these do look similar, but they're not. Like, in front of the camera, you know, I guess with the lighting in my room, but this one's so nice. Then there's this one. I'm an absolute blue hoe. Oh, my gosh. Can you imagine? Okay, see, they are similar, but they're not the same. Can you just imagine? Oh, my gosh. Okay, I'm not sure if I showed you that yet. Check out this one. I really want to open this like right now and show you. I don't know how these open. Oh, okay. Gosh, she must have spent some time doing this. Okay. If I could get this freaking sticker off my hand, my day would be great. Okay. Okay, it's not gritty. That's freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm just dead over here. Okay, I think that was all. I'm not sure. Let me put this back. Oh, these cases are just so genius. Okay. That was all. And that was a lot. Okay, so I'm so very happy about that. I love her little packaging and her boxes and everything. She puts so much love in it with like confetti and dots and stuff and hearts everywhere. It's so cute. I'm gonna have to get that out of the box so I can do me some crafts with it. But do you guys know Flexbeauty? If you don't, you're missing out. So she does have a website, which is it's usually always in my description box. If you use code JustJessica, you'll get 15% off. I don't earn any commission. I just like to do stuff with her. So, but if you go to Flexbeauty Cosmetics on TikTok, she has a TikTok shop where she often has deals that are much cheaper than the website. The shipping is better than the website. She does lives over there. She's the one who's responsible for our collaborations that we always do. So it's super, super fun. And I'm going to get to eating this. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.